I'm a salon owner and hairstylist. Today I'm going to talk to you about Kerastase Therapiste. This is a dual chamber heat protectant. Dual chamber means use 2 fingers and press down. It's going to take out a white cream and a clear cream, and that should be mixed together thoroughly and then applied ears down on your hair. So that is how you would use this product. If you just did 1 finger, then you might use more of one side than the other, in which case you won't be using it properly and you might end up with just one at the end. It's meant to be applied on dry hair, mid-lengths down. You can see that it says erosion level 3-4. So that means your hair has definitely been through the ringer. It's probably been lightened, the cuticle could be gone or barely there, so you're lacking a lot of shine in your hair. What that means is that you really need protection when you go in with that hot tool or even a blow dryer, because you need to protect those bonds, rebuild those bonds in your hair, or at least make synthetic ones if they're completely gone, because you can't rebuild bonds, but you can create fake ones in the hair, and then that will make your hair stronger. And then just regularly getting trims is what's really going to get it back to good health. But in the meantime, if you're in that predicament, the product will allow you to be able to still do heat styling to your hair. You just want to do it at a lower heat if that is what you're going to do. Definitely remember 2 fingers, pump down, 1 should be good, ears down, make sure you thoroughly get the ends, and then you can start flat ironing or curling your hair. Let me know if you would like me to review any other products, or if you have any questions or comments about this one, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.